Haksonzone GFX.
Hi guys, Saxon here and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I want to show you the new mascot that I made. It's like template, but it's not free. It's $5, that means it's like premium. Everybody can have it. So if you're running like a esports team and you want a mascot but you don't have money to afford like really expensive mascot, this is perfect logo for you. When you download it, you will have a logo, banner, cover and avatar, everything you see in the screen, and you will have the IE file, that's Adobe Illustration file, so you can customize the mascot whatever you like. And I make really easy to change the color if you like it. If you don't like this red and yellow theme, you can change it easy. So just go on Photoshop and make, for example, this yellow gray and this red make it blue, and just change the color of the text. So make it maybe white, okay, and make the stroke like this gray, and that's it. For like 20 seconds you can change the whole color theme on this mascot. So it's pretty easy and pretty simple to use. It's the same for the banner and cover and avatar. So if you want to buy it, there's a link in the description, and if you don't want to buy it, if you don't want to pay for mascot, you can go on my channel and download any free mascot logo that I upload. There is like 20, I think, free logos, so you know, just pick one and turn up the notification button, so when you upload new free logo, you will be the first, you know, to download it and change it. Bye.